instructor at New Careers Academy. The video that you're going to see is basically a video that we had taken of a live recording of our students. So what had happened was it was a lecture on basics of mathematics along with the unitary method. So when we teach here, my objective here is very clear. To teach you in the simplest way possible and to reduce the time in which you actually finish the questions. So say for example, if I know 97 square 9409 by the tips of my hand through Vedic mathematics, it actually reduces my time in terms of doing mathematics and solving them at the time of your paper. So this video would be something of that. It would be first Vedic mathematics and then we'll continue forward with the unitary method. Also you can see that during the live classes we interact with our students. It's not messaging. The unitary method. When I start the unitary method, or before I started the unitary method, one topic I like to do is how do we do the basic calculation and how do we improve our speeds in calculations. Why do we need increased speeds in calculations? Say for example, when we are doing Vedic mathematics, we generally will like to increase our speed. Why do we need to increase our speed? Because we need to do the questions in much quicker time. Is it clear? Now, Khushnav, could you please tell me what is 98 square? Yeah, speak up.
Don't know, sir.
You don't know. Rishabh, can you, if you're hearing me, can you type it out? Or Rajat, can you hear me? Rajat, tell me what is 98 square? What is 98 square, Rajat? So you're multiplying. It's that I don't want. The basic answer is 9604. We need to do our calculations faster because whatever we'll have now is something that's going to make our calculations way too fast. We want our calculations to be spot on, top notch for a reason. I'll tell you why. Is because say for example, I ask you the radius of a circle is increased by 3%. Find the percentage change in area. Percentage change in area. तो हम assume कर लेते हैं area of square circle क्या होता है? Anyone इतना तो बताएगा?
Side square.
Yes.
Pi r square. तो अगर radius 100 है, 100 का square कितना होता है? Pi तो same रहेगा, constant है. What is 100 square? 1000. 10,000, right? What is 100 square? 10,000. So what is 103 square? Now 10609. So percentage change is 6.09%. We'll be able to do it in 1 second, which we will not be able to do without it. Clear or not? Is it clear or not? And I'll be teaching you why.
Yes.
I'll be teaching you because iske bina we will have a problem. If we do not know the squares, we'll have a problem. We will not know what and how we are supposed to do faster mathematics. See, the best part about this mathematics is it works from the brain. We don't need any formulas. And we need to do a question in less than a minute. So that is what we'll be doing. Now, let me rub it off and let me start by basic things. So the first basic thing I ask you, which out of these numbers is not a perfect square? You have to tell me which out of these numbers is not a perfect square. Which out of these numbers is not a perfect square? Anyone? Any guesses? Quickly.
3.
D.
9 7 3 3 D.
D. Okay, everybody says D. Why is D the answer?
Because sir last में 3 है उसके.
Absolutely correct. What is 1 square?
1.
Similarly, 11 square?
1 to 1.
12 square?
1
Sorry,
4
21 square? 21 square? 441.
441.
Is it clear? Similarly,
Yes.
now let's start. 2 square? 4. 12 square? 144. 22 square? Why I'm doing this? For 1, 11, 21, the square always ends with 1. For 2, 12, 22, the square ends with
4.
4. Now, similarly, let's do it quickly. 3 square, 9. 13 square, 1.
169.
4 square, 16. 5 square, 25. 6 square, 36. 7 square, 49. 8 square, 64. 9 square, 81. 10 square, 100. Any doubts with this?
No, sir.
14 square, quickly. I will not be writing now 14 square. 196,
196.
25, 256, 289, 324, 361, 400. 529, 576, 625, 676, 729, 784, 841, 900. Is that clear or not? So when I talk about any number ending with 3, 3, 13, what's the last digit? 9, then 6, then 5, then 6, then 9, then 4, then 1, then 0. So all my perfect squares end with 0, 1, 4, 9, 6, and 5. Is it clear or not? All my perfect squares will end with 0, 1, 4, 9, 6, and 5. Any doubts with this?
No, sir.
Okay, you can just do thumbs up if you're able to get it. Everybody, if you're able to get it, just do thumbs up. There's the emoji, I'll be able to get it. Clear, everybody? Okay, absolutely clear. Now let's go ahead. Can I move ahead? You want, but this is something you need to remember. I expect you to remember it out. If you do not remember it, I'll send you the notes right now so you'll be able to get through it. Now, we talk about squares ending with 5. What about squares ending with 5? What is 5 square? 25. What is 15 square? We all know this, 225. Yes or no? What is 25 square? You also know this, 625. But there's a very interesting rule that comes with it. What is my 5 square? Always 25. What's my preceding digit? 1. 1 into 2 कितना होता है? यहाँ पे preceding digit क्या है? 2. 2 into 3 कितना होता है? 25 तो आएगा ही, पर एक नंबर ऐड हो जाएगा. Similarly, रजत 35 स्क्वायर कितना होएगा? 25 तो आएगा. आगे.
Sir, 1225.
How do we get this?
Sir, 3 into 4.
Is it clear? Preceding digit से
Yes,
एक
sir.
नंबर एक्स्ट्रा मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. 45 स्क्वायर. खुशनव ना.
ये समझ नहीं आया सर.
देख 5 के लिए पीछे 25 तो आएगा ही आएगा.
यस सर.
अब तूने 15 लगा दिया. 15 के लिए क्या हो जाएगा? 1 into 2.
ओके सर.
एक नंबर बड़ा उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है.
ओके सर.
25 2 है. 2 into 3 कितना होता है?
6 625.
35 में 3 into 4 कितना होता है?
12.
तो ये 12 आगे आ जाएगा.
2025 आ गया 45 का.
2025. अब सिमिलरली 55 का बता एक बार जल्दी से.
56 का 33025.
निहार का 65 square. Could you please tell me? Niharika, could you please tell me 65 square? $65 square, quickly.
Sir, 4225.
4225. Any doubts with this? Similarly, what is 75 square?
4225.
No, 75 square now. 75. 7 into 8, 56. Clear or not? Preceding number से एक बड़ा. 85 square. 25. 8 into 9. Everybody clear or not? Thumbs up if you're clear. I can move to the next one. Okay. Everybody clear? Cool, 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 cool. Niharika, you're clear about it? Clear or not? 95 square. What is 95 square? 5. 9 into 10 कितना होता है? 90. Is it clear, everybody? Okay. Now let's move to the next one. We'll be doing squares. We'll be doing numbers from say 30 to 70 squares. How do we do this? 30 to 70 square. Very simple way. What is a 50 square? Could you please tell me? 2500. What is 50 square? 2500. What would be 51 square? Rajat, could you please tell me that?
Sir,
Rishabh, could you
2601.
2601. How do we get 2601? We'll be doing that. 52 square. Rishabh, can you tell me this? Or message. What is 52 square? Anyone? Krishna, 52 square. 2704, Rishabh, clear. So what happens is, any number plus minus 50. Let's listen. 50 का base हमारा क्या है? 25. 51 में क्या हुआ? ये 25 plus 1 हो गया यहाँ पे. तो ये क्या हो गया? 25 plus 1 कितना हो गया? 26. और क्या हमने ऐड किया था 50 में? What did we add with 50? 1. 1 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है? Is it clear? 52 में what is it? 50 plus 2. 25 plus 2 कितना होता है? 27. 2 का स्क्वायर कितना होएगा? 04. Clear? 53 square. Now can you do Kushnav quickly?
5909.
How 59? 25 का base है 50 का. 25 plus 3.
Okay, sir. 2809.
2809. Now can you do 54 square for me?
5 plus 2906.
29.
2916.
55 square. Neharika, could you please tell me? What is 25 plus 5?
2916.
No, 55 square. 55 square now. Quickly.
3025.
3025. Next. 56 square. Quickly. Tell me.
So 3025.
Ah, that's done. 55 is done. 56 square.
25.
56. 25 plus 6 is how much?
3136.
3136. Quickly.
3136.
Correct. 57 square.
36.
25 plus 7. 3249. Keep on writing it if you're writing it. 58 square. 25 plus 8. How much? 33. 8 square. 64. 59 square. 25 plus 9. How much? 34. 81. Now 60 square we all know. 3600. I will not do anything more. 61 square. Now that is where you might just have a problem. So let me do it. What is 25 plus 11? Right, everybody. 25 plus 11.
36.
36. What is 11 square?
121.
So 21 behind, 1 carries forward, 3721. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear, everybody? Clear? Similarly, 62 square. Now, Krishna, could you please tell me 62 square? How is this formed? 50 plus 12. What is 25 plus 12? Krishna, 25 plus 12. I cannot hear you.
37, sir.
37. What is 12 square?
144.
1
38.
3844.
3844.
This is just explained to you. Niharika, 63 square. What is 20, 50? This is 50 plus 13. What is 25 plus 13? Niharika, 25 plus 13. Yes, quickly. What is 25 plus 13? Anyone? 30?
3969.
8. 13 square, 169. So 3969. You have to do it orally. Now, listen. Now we do the negative ones. We've done till 50 to 70. Let me do the negative ones quickly. Everybody's clear? Can I move ahead quickly? 3969, correct. Is everybody clear? Can I move ahead for the negative ones? Okay, perfect. Now, let us do 49 square. What is 49 square? 50 minus 1. What is 25 minus 1? 24. What is 1 square? 1. वही same rule. बस इसमें क्या हो जाएगा? उसमें प्लस था, यहाँ पे माइनस, और जो चीज माइनस किया उसका स्क्वायर. वही सेम चीज. 48 square. How is it made? 50 minus 2. What is 25 minus 2?
23. What is 2 square? 4. 47 square. Quickly, one by one. Krishna, you will tell.
23.
No. 50. 47 I'm talking about. It's 50 minus 3. What is
50 minus 3.
23.
Yes, go ahead, tell me.
25. 25 minus 3, 22. 2209.
46 square. Now, Rajat.
Sir, 2136.
2136. 2116. Not 36. What is 4
Yes,
square?
sir.
45 square. Niharika. It's simple. 4 into 5, 20. 5 square, 25. Let's do other. 44 square. Now you tell me quickly. What is 44 square?
Sir,
44 square.
what's the question? I'm sorry.
What is the value of 44 square? What is the value of 44 square?
1936.
1936.
1936.
Absolutely correct. 43 square. Rishabh.
1936.
Correct. Absolutely correct. I've done it.
36.
Rishabh. 43 square. 1849. Correct. So can I move ahead now? Is everybody clear with? Okay, absolutely. Now we'll be doing the next one. The next squares that we do is from 101 to 130. So let me just explain this properly, and after that you will be getting all the squares. We'll be doing fractions when we go to percentages. That is what I require when we do fractions. Okay. 101 to 130 square. Remember, what we do is we divide this number into 3 portions. You have the units place, you have the tens place, you have the hundreds place, you have the thousands place, you have the 10,000s place. That's how we divide the number. Unit tens के बाद एक जगह, hundreds thousands के बाद एक जगह और 10,000s के बाद एक जगह. Is it clear? Clubbing of 2. Now what is 100 square? 10,000. 101 square. How was this number formed? It's formed 100 plus 1 whole square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So how do? We draw this thing. This is 100 plus 1 whole square. Yes or no? This is 100 plus 1 square. Yes or no? Now, what do is we basically do this square, add square. That's a rule. Our rule is what? Square, add and square. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
The rule we follow is square, add and square. We divide it from unit tens, hundreds, 10,000s and 10,000s. Okay, what is 1 square? जो चीज पीछे ऐड हुई है उसका स्क्वायर रहेगा. 1 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है? 1. Addition. 1 plus 1 कितना होता है? 0.2 because ये आएगा unit tens, ये आएगा 100,000. And finally, जो चीज स्टार्टिंग में उसका स्क्वायर. 1 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है? 1. Let's do more. Just to explain, this is going to be confusing initially, but it's going to get simpler. 102 square. Again, we draw brackets. What is it? The rule: square, add square. This is going to be 2 square. What is 2 square? Quickly, 0.4, because since we have units and tens. Addition, 2 plus 2, 0.4. And starting wali ka square. 1 square is 10404. Clear? Everybody clear? Square, add square. And rule क्या है? किस चीज में divide करना है? In rules में. 103 square. Again, let's draw it. This is just to explain. After that, we'll do it in 1 second. What is 3 square? 0.9. Again, the same rule. Square, add square. पीछे वाला square, बीच वाला add, last वाला फिर से square. What is 3 plus 3? 6. What is 1 square? 1. 104 square. Square, add square. 1 का square? 1. 4 plus 4? 8. 4 का square? 105 square. 1 का square? 1. 5 plus 5? 10. 5 square? 106 square. 1 का square 1. 6 plus 6 12. 6 square. 1 का square 1. 7 plus 7 14. 7 square. Now, first Kushnav, you tell me what would be the answer for this.
11664.
Next, Rajat, 109 square.
Sir, 11881.
Rohan, 110 square. Simple, 11 square 12100. Right? Let's do more. I'll be actually practicing more where we have problem. 111 square. 1 square 1. What is 11 plus 11? 22. What is 11 square? 121. Carry forward हो जाएगा. तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? 1 2 3 2 1. Everybody clear? 112 square. 1 square 1. 12 plus 12 24. 12 square 144. 1 carry forward. 12544. Any doubts, anybody? Any doubts? It will get carry forward. Okay, quickly. Now you'll keep on telling me. Rohan, you're going to tell me. So turn on your mic. 113 square first. Simple, no? 12769. I expect the speed to be like this. It's going to take some time, but you need to practice it out. How do we get it? 1 square 1. 13 plus 13 26. 13 square 169. 12769. Clear or not? Is it clear, everybody? 114 square. Next, Neharika, tell me quickly.
12996.
12996. Rishabh.
996.
Correct. Rishabh, 115 square. You should be able to get it simple.
13225.
13225. Absolutely correct. Next, 116 square. Rohan. You're supposed to speak. I cannot hear you. Or just type your message if your connection's poor. I'm not able to hear you. No, I cannot. 116 square. Quickly. (16 plus 16, 32). What is 16 square? 256. So this becomes 13456. Everybody clear or not? Rohan, were you able to get the answer? Because I'm not able to. No, I cannot hear you at all. You just, all I have to do is lip syncing. I'm not good at lip syncing. I'm not be able to. Okay. Can I move ahead now? Quickly. So let's follow these rules for other things. Suppose if this 101 square, there is 201 square, there is, no, your voice is cracking a bit. 301 square and there's 401 square. How do we do it? The same rule follows. We draw again the same thing. Unit tens, 100,000s, 10,000s. What is the rule? Can you please tell me the rule? Square, add, square. This was the rule? Yes or no? This was the rule, square, add, square. What is 1 square? Quickly. 1. Addition, 1 plus 1, 2. 1 square, 1. Yes or no? 201. The same rule, but slight bit change. What is square? 2 square. 4. पीछे वाला भी square same रहेगा. 1 plus 1. 1 square is 1. Addition will have a change. What is 1 plus 1? 2. 2 into the preceding number. 2 into 2 is what? For 301, let's do it. 301 square, same thing. We draw this. Squares remain the same. What is 3 square, Kushnav?
9, sir.
9. What is 1 square?
101.
1 plus 1?
2.
2 into 3?
6.
That would be the only change. What happens in the center is we actually multiply by the preceding digit. Preceding मतलब कि जो first digit है उससे multiply करना है, add, addition को. Addition into the first digit. Addition into the first digit. Addition into the first digit. What is 401 square now, Neharika? Tell me quickly. 4 square? 16. 1 square, 1. 1 plus 1,
2.
2. 2 into 4,
2. 8.
8.
160801.
Clear? Similarly, 501, same rule. 25. 1 plus 1 square, 1. 1 plus 1,
2.
2. 2 into 5, 10. That's it.
10.
Is it clear or not? We follow the same rule. So let's do it. All I want you to do is find me the answers of these quickly. Or actually, let me rub it up. So there'll be some confusion might just have in these numbers. 224, 223 square. Do these. Sorry. Rub it up. 223, 224. Do these squares. Similarly, let's do try these quickly. Are we done? The first numbers, set of numbers. 22 plus 22, 2 square, 4. 22 square, 484, 4 gets carried forward. 22 plus 22, 44.
4.
44 plus 4. Is it clear? Sorry, 22 plus 22, 44. And
Into 2.
into 2, 88, 492, 84. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, 23. 2 square, 4. 23 square is 529. 5 gets carried forward. 23 plus 23, 46. 46 twos are 92. 92 plus 5, 97. Clear? This is where the problem might just come. That's why I just want to do it. 2 square, 4. What is 24 square? 576. 5 carry forward. 24 plus 24, 48. 48 twos are 96. Now what is 496 plus 5?
101.
50176. Is it clear or not? Let this number change to 5, not a problem. Because what is 496 plus 5? This is separate, right? Clear, everybody? Similarly, can you try 226 for me now? 226 square. Rishabh, can you give me the answer for 226 square? Orally. Anyone? Correct. 51076 is absolutely correct. How do we get it? 2 square 4, 26 square is? What is 26 square? 676. And then 26 plus 26, 52. 52 into 2 makes it 104. If we add it up, 1 gets carried forward here already. 504676. 51076. This was 104. So 1 gets carried forward here. Please do not make the mistake of writing this as this number. Is it clear or not? How many did this mistake? This one. Please tell me. How many did this mistake? Tell me. You must have done it. Kushnav, did you do it? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay. Is it clear? Rajat,
Yes.
no mistake?
Yes, sir.
You did a mistake? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay. Niharika, this is wrong. Yes. Did you do a mistake or not? I cannot. You did the mistake. Okay. So don't do that mistake. So try. So for your homework, I'm just saying try 227 to 229. Clear? Similarly, now you try these numbers: 315, 316, 317. Try these numbers. These are your homework, 227 to 229. So 315 correct. 316, 317, if you can find me out. This will give a problem, not this one. What's the temperature there in Madhya Pradesh? You seem to be sweating a lot. $316. Anyone? Answer. Okay.
99856.
99?
856.
99856. 16 square is 256. 32. 32 threes are 96. 99856 is correct. Next, 317 square.
फोर जीरो फोर एट
Sorry?
गलत हो गया
100489. That's your answer.
yes
How do we
yes
get this answer? 17 square. 17 square is 289. 17 plus 17, 34. 34 threes are 102. 3 square is 9. This gets carried forward 100489. Clear or not? Now let's do negatives. All numbers from 99 to 70. Let's do it. What is 99 square? Now there'll be no two digits, but only this one. Hundreds, sorry. There'll be units and tens, hundreds and thousands. 10,000 so aayega nahi? Yes or no? Let's do it. 99 square, how's it form? 100 minus 1. What is 1 square? 1. This is what? 99. 99 minus 1 is what? 9. Is it clear or not? Is it clear? Similarly, let's do it more. 98 square. Wherever you have a problem, please stop me. What is 2 square? 0, 4. 98 minus 2? 9604. 97 square. 3 square. 0, 9. 97 minus 3? 94. 96 square. 4 square. 16. 96 minus 4? 9216. Clear? We don't need it. Similarly, 95 square. 9025. 94 square. 8836. 93 square. What would be the answer? Quickly. 8649. Clear? Okay, now Krishna, you will tell me what is 92 square. Quickly. So much time.
I'm not able to get that, sir.
Okay. What we do in this case is we subtract. How's this number coming? 100 minus 8. पहले तो number
Yes, sir.
पीछे उसी का square. 8 का square क्या होता है?
64.
92 minus 8 कितना होएगा?
92 minus 8.
84.
84.
404 is wrong answer. It's 8464 because it's 8 square.
Okay, sir.
91 square. Rajat will tell me quickly.
Sir, 8281.
8281. Neharika, could you tell me 89 square?
7921.
7921. Good. Rishabh, can you tell me 88 square? Rishabh, 88 square, if you can hear me. Correct. 7744. Everybody clear or not? Are you able to get the answer? Okay, moving ahead. Can I move ahead now?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what we'll be starting is the unitary method. In my unitary method, I will not be using a conventional method. It's too outdated. We are not going to use that. We're going to use something based pure on pure logic. So we'll have 3 or 4 sets of problem that will be there, which we have to do. Why? Unitary method is our base for arithmetic. If our unitary method is not clear, our arithmetic would be a big problem because it is the basics that we'll be working on. What do I mean by basics? Suppose agar cost 500, so 15 tables will cost how much? That's my question to you. How would you do it? Majority of you would first like to find the cost of one table and then multiply by 15. That's the method you've been following, but we will not do this. What is given? Let's understand. What is not given is the price of the tables. So X is equal to 500. Clear? What is not given? Price. So the other price which is given is just 500. Clear or not? Clear, everybody? Suppose I'll write it the other way also. 20 tables cost 600. 12 tables will cost how much? Oh, sorry, let's not do like that. Or let's reverse it. In 800 rupees, how many tables, or 810 rupees, how many tables would I get? 810. What is not given here? Rupees. Here, what is not given? Table. So X is equal to 20. Clear or not? X would always be the thing which is not given. Will be equal to the thing which is given. That is rupees. अगर X rupees में है तो rupees लेंगे. अगर X tables में है तो tables के equal ले लेंगे. यहाँ तक clear है? Clear, everybody? 10 tables cost 500. So 15 tables will cost more or less. If 10 tables cost 500, 15 tables will cost more or less? More.
More.
More, bigger number above, smaller number below. न्यूमरेटर हम बड़ा करेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर छोटा करेंगे. देखो, अगर x को हम 10/15 से मल्टीप्लाई करते, न्यूमरेटर छोटा कर देते और डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा कर देते, वैल्यू कम हो जाती. हमें तो वैल्यू ज्यादा चाहिए ना. We ask ourselves this question: if 10 tables cost me 500, 15 tables will cost you more or less?
More, sir.
More. For more, bigger number above, smaller number below. Any doubts with this?
No, sir.
किसी चीज को बड़ा करने के लिए, to make something bigger, we make numerator bigger and denominator smaller. Clear? Clear, everybody? Moving ahead. X is equal to 20. अगर 20 टेबल की कॉस्ट 600 है तो 810 रुपीज में ज्यादा टेबल्स आएंगे या कम? More or less?
More.
ज़्यादा आएंगे सर.
4. So bigger number above, smaller number below. Let's cancel it. 3. 8/3, 81/3 कितना होता है? 2. Sorry. Let me just rub it. 27 tables. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? To make something bigger, we do numerator bigger, denominator smaller. To make something smaller, we will do numerator smaller, denominator bigger. Clear or not? Yes or no? Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, try this question. It's a simple question similar on this. Try it. On a scale of map, 0.6 centimeters represents 6.6 kilometers. If the distance between the 2 points is 80.5 centimeters, what would be the representation in kilometers? Quickly. 88.55. Correct. Not 885.5 is wrong. How? Simple. X is equal to क्या नहीं given? 6.6. अगर 0.6 सेंटीमीटर 6.6 है तो 80.5 ज्यादा होगा या कम होगा? Would it be more or less? More. For more, bigger number above, smaller number below. Clear or not? We cancel it. 111. How do we do the multiplication? Let's do the multiplication orally. This is 80.5 into 10 plus 1. Yes or no? So this would become 805. Yes or no? 1 would become 80.5. So this would become 885.5. Clear or not? Is it clear? Sorry, Niharika said the wrong answer. It was 885.5. Is it clear, everybody? Clear? So we basically multiply like this. Why multiply the other way around? How many of you were actually doing 80.5 into 11? Please tell me that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You're not supposed to do it simple, no? Let's do it like this. Why waste our time? Okay. Now, suppose we are going to do now 3 variables. Let me do a question of 3 variables. This is a homework for you. This also will become a homework for you. This will also become a homework for you. This will become a homework for you. Let's do this. Or before we do this, this is another type. This one. This is my case 2. What's given? You are, now is the time why I tell you why I'm doing like this. Why I'm not carrying 1 per person. Why am I doing like this? Is it clear? जो मैं अभी कर रहा हूं मैं वैसे क्यों कर रहा हूं जैसे आप करते रहे हो कन्वेंशनली क्यों नहीं कर रहा अब बताऊंगा 3 persons क्या क्या है इसमें गिवन 3 फैक्टर्स गिवन है persons shawls और days क्या 3 फैक्टर गिवन है हमें persons shawls और days how many shawls will 8 persons weave given है how many shawls will 8 person weave in 5 days यही given है 3 factors are given to us everybody clear or not we have 3 factors given to us any doubts anybody okay. What is not given is number of shawls so x would always be equal to clear everybody in the earlier case we only had 2 factors now we have how many factors 3 factors we have 3 factors and we have to ask ourselves a question that's it if 3 persons can weave 168 shawls as I said known with unknown जब हम इन दोनों को कंपेयर करेंगे we will not look at this if 3 persons weave 168 shawls 8 persons will weave more shawls or less 8 लोग ज्यादा shawls weave करेंगे या कम
More, sir.
more के लिए क्या होता है हमेशा बड़ा नंबर ऊपर और छोटा नंबर नीचे यहां तक क्लियर है everybody clear or not moving ahead now we compare this with this इसको इसके साथ कभी कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते we can never compare known quantities इन दोनों को नहीं कंपेयर करेंगे because both are known quantities we can only compare unknown with known clear or not okay now let's do it more further in 14 days I can weave 168 shawls in 5 days more shawls or less shawls
Less, sir.
for less smaller number above bigger number below clear or not let's solve it up
160 sir.
sorry
160
we divide 4 by 7 this becomes 21 21 se gaya so this becomes 8 yes or no this would be 4 this would be 7 this would be 21 21 21 8s are 21 8s are 168 okay 8 into 20 160 shawls clear everybody Clear, everyone? Okay. Can I give you a question similar to it? Try this. Try it. Now. If 5 laborers can fill 35 boxes in 7 days, we have 3 things given to us: laborers, boxes, and days. Try it up.
$39, sir.
39 is the correct answer. Anybody else has got the answer? Anybody else? Rishabh, are you trying this? Have you got the answer? Anybody else is किसी का आंसर नहीं आया? Who has not been able to get the answer? 39. So you're not been able to get the answer. Let me do it. It's supposedly very easy. What's given is x. What would be x equal to first? Let's understand. X would not what be equal to what? 15. Yes or no? Clear? If 15 laborers are required to fill 35 boxes are filled by 15 laborers. To fill 65 boxes, you require more laborers or less laborers?
More, sir.
You require more laborers or less laborers? More. 65
More.
by 35. Clear or not? Next. To finish the work in 7 days, we require 15 laborers. To finish the work in 5 days, do I require more laborers or less laborers?
More, sir.
5 दिन में काम खत्म करना है तो laborers ज़्यादा चाहिए. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
13 and you will have 5 here. No, sorry, you will have 7 here. 7, 7 cancel, 3 here. 39 is your answer. Clear or not? Check where you made the mistake. 7 दिन में काम खत्म करने के लिए कितने लेबर चाहिए? 15. 7 days में काम खत्म करने के लिए कितने लेबर चाहिए? 15. 5 days में काम खत्म करने के लिए लेबर ज्यादा चाहिए या कम? ज्यादा चाहिए होंगे.
ज्यादा चाहिए.
तूने कहाँ पे गलती की थी? Where did you make a mistake?
यहीं पे की थी, सर.
7 by 5.
Yes, sir.
Niharika, where did you get the mistake? You had a mistake or not?
Yes, sir. Same place.
Okay.
I wrote 5 by 7.
Okay. Try this. I'll again give you 2 minutes. Let's see whether you're able to get it or not. What are the 3 factors given to us? Binders, books, and days. Go through it. Answers, please. If you're able to get it, please tell me the answers. This is example of case 2. Please follow the order that I'm going to do. So please do the same thing in the same order. Sorry.
Eleven, sir.
Let's see rest of them. 11. 2 people have said the answer 11. Kushnav done. Rohan done or not? Rishabh done. So much of time. Let's do it. Look at what is given. X. What is X? The binders we need to find. X is equal to 18. 900 books require 18 binders. 660 books will require more binders or less binders? How does it require more? Books कम है तो binders ज़्यादा या कम?
More होंगे
900 बुक के लिए 18 बाइंडर चाहिए. अब 660 बुक्स हैं. बुक्स ज़्यादा हैं या कम हैं?
कम है सर
तो बाइंडर ज़्यादा चाहिए या कम चाहिए?
कम चाहिए
जब काम कम है तो बाइंडर भी कम चाहिए. यहाँ पे गलती हुई है पहले तो.
यस सर
दूसरा, to finish the work in 10 days we require 18 binders. To finish the work in 12 days you require more binders or less binders? अब टाइम ज़्यादा है. हमने बुक्स नहीं देखना. 10 दिन में 18 बाइंडर काम खत्म करते हैं. In 12 days, do we require more binders or less binders?
लेस
10 by 12. Everybody clear?
यस सर
0, 0, 0, 0. Let's cancel it. 3 by 2. 33. Sorry, I've done some mistake somewhere. 33. Yeah, I've done this. This is 99 by 9, 11. Clear or not? Is it clear? Okay, the last one, try it up. This would be a homework then. Try this one. I'll try the next type then. $125. Wrong. Let me check. 1 second. 50.
सर 125 ही आ रहा है.
150. 50 into 15. 750 by 6. Correct. 125. Sorry. 750 by 6, right? 125. Correct. First, you have written 25. Are we able to get the answer or not? Rishabh, are you able to get the answer? Okay. Niharika answer, Rishabh answer. Okay.
125 सर
Yes, 125. Niharika.
Yes.
Okay, everybody's got 125 is the answer. Now we move to case 3. Slight bit difference. Okay, we'll be doing this. This is my case 3. A garrison of 750 men had provision for how many days? 20 weeks. So it's not days, it's going to be weeks. So let's convert it into weeks. 750 आदमियों के पास 20 हफ्ते का खाना था. If at the end of 4 weeks they are reinforced by 450 men, reinforced means more men join them. Yes or no? They are reinforced by 450 men. How long will the remaining provision last? That's the question. Try it out. Try. Let's see. I'm giving you 1 minute. Whether you're able to do the question or not. Let's see it. Answer anyone? Anyone having an answer? What's the answer? Anyone? Anyone?
Sir, X equal to 20 into
I'm just saying. Are you? What's your answer? Answer is 10 weeks or not? 7 weeks, 4 days. That's a very extraordinary answer. It's a proper answer. It's not weeks and days. It's a proper answer. Anyone else? And week के spelling बहुत अच्छे लिखे हैं तूने. WEAKS. Don't say it's misspelling. Okay. Anyone? A garrison of 750 men had provision for 20 weeks. 20 हफ्ते का खाना था. At the end, let me just wrap it up and then I'll be forcing on what all I need to really revise. At the end of 4 weeks, 4 हफ्ते तो उन्होंने खाना खाया होगा. तो 4 weeks का खाना खत्म हो गया. कितने weeks का खाना रह गया? तो इस स्टेटमेंट का तो कोई यूज ही नहीं है अब. मतलब 4 हफ्ते तो उन्होंने खाना खाया है ना. Yes or no? They have had food for 4 weeks. They are reinforced by 450 more men. How many more men join them? 450. So how many men are there now? 1200. For 750 men, the food was for 16 weeks. For 1200 men, now the food will last for how many weeks? Is this clear or not? Is this statement clear? If at the end of 4 weeks, they are reinforced. 4 हफ्ते तो खाना खा लिया उन्होंने. So find it out for me. What is not given? X. What is X? 16 weeks. 750 men had food for 16 weeks. So 1200 men will have food for how many weeks? Four. 10. 10 is correct. देखो, X is 16. For 750 men, the food is for 16 weeks. For 1200 men, अब आदमी ज्यादा हो गए. खाना ज्यादा देर रहेगा या कम देर?
कम देर.
कम के लिए छोटा नंबर ऊपर, बड़ा नंबर नीचे. Let's cancel it. 4 by 30. 15 से cancel किया. 5 by 2. Answer is 10 weeks. Is it clear or not? Is it clear? Good, good, good. Rajat clear? Rohan clear? Rishabh clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's try a simpler question, similar question. Question number 8. Now you will tell me the answer for it. It's a similar question. You quickly revise this because if you get this chapter, my next chapters are going to go with some speed. It's going to be a very simple chapters in here. This is my logic. This chapter is the logic for arithmetic. 120 men had provision for 200 days. After 5 days, 30 men die due to epidemic. The remaining food will now last for. Answer is 260 now. I can figure it out. Yes, have you got the answers or not? Two 40. Oh, pathetic. That's the answer, then it's pathetic. Two 60 is the correct answer. 260 is the correct answer. Calculation mistake. Let's do it. How many men were there? 120. For how many days the food was there? 200. After 5 days, that means they had food for 5 days. The first statement is of no consequence. Yes or no? Whenever the word after is used, the first statement is of no consequence. Clear or not? Everybody's clear till here? 30 men died due to epidemic. How many men are remaining? 90. How many days? We do not know. So X is 195. If for 120 men, the food was lasting for 195 days, for 90 men, the food will last for longer days or lesser days? 120
Longer days.
120 by 90, we cancel it.
260.
65 into 4, 260 days. Is it clear or not, everybody?
Clear, sir.
Good, 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 good. Let's go ahead. This is going to be, okay, try this out. This is also 5 men working 6 hours a day, 20 days. No, this is also similar. This would be a homework because you've done this type. Homework. This is homework. Again, homework. Now try this, 16. Question number 16, try it out. If 20 men complete 1/3 of piece of work in 20 days, how many more men should be employed to finish the remaining work in 25 days? Men is given, work is given, and days is given. 20 men complete 1/3 work in 20 days. In 25 days, how much work is to be done? 2/3. By how many more men? More men. Please make sure that whatever answer you get, whatever answer you get, you subtract it by 20 because he's asking how many more men. Clear or not? जो ये amount आएगा, suppose 60 आता है. अगर ये 60 आता है तो कितने ज्यादा आदमी चाहिए होंगे? 40. Clear or not? Because of how many more men? Try it out.
Sir, 12.
12 more men. Let's try it out. What's the answers you're getting? Rishabh, what's the answer you're getting? Please type it out, everybody. Are you able to get 12 or not? Let's see, where do you go went wrong? Let's see. Look. For 1/3 work, 20 men are required. For 2/3 work, अब काम ज़्यादा हो गया. Question to yourself. Do I require more men or less men? Answer. For 1/3 work, 1/3 काम के लिए मेरे को 20 आदमी चाहिए. अब काम डबल हो गया, 2/3 हो गया. तो मेरे को आदमी ज़्यादा चाहिए या कम चाहिए?
ज्यादा चाहिए.
More.
ज़्यादा के लिए बड़ा नंबर ऊपर, छोटा नंबर नीचे. So that is what we get. Clear or not? Next. 20 men can finish the work in 20 days. यहाँ पे पक्का गलती होएगा, guaranteed. 20 men can finish the work in 20 days. To finish the work in 25 days, अब दिन ज़्यादा हो गए. आदमी ज़्यादा चाहिए या कम चाहिए? For the
कम
same.
चाहिए.
हाँ?
कम चाहिए.
कम चाहिए. कम के लिए छोटा नंबर ऊपर, बड़ा नंबर नीचे. कितनों का ये गलत हुआ है? आई एम श्योर इस वाले पे पक्का गलत ही होता है. 20 डेज के लिए 20 मैन चाहिए. 25 डेज दिन ज्यादा हो गए. अब हमारे पास टाइम ज्यादा है. व्हाई डू वी रिक्वायर मोर मैन? वी रिक्वायर लेस मैन. क्लियर और नॉट? So that's, I so know it where you generally make a mistake. 4 4s are 16, 32 men. How many more men? 12 men. Is it clear or not? Is it clear, everybody? ये try करो. Try this. This is a very interesting question. Let's see who's able to do this question.
फोर्टी सर.
Sorry? 40 or 50? A garrison had a provision of certain number of men, of days. After 10 days, 1/5 of the men desert, भाग गए. Suppose men थे X और days थे Y. The men were X and the days were Y. Clear or not, everybody? After 10 days, कितने दिन चले गए? Y minus 10. कितने आदमी थे? X. यहाँ तक clear है? आफ्टर का मतलब यही होता है ना, वो माइनस हो जाता है नंबर ऑफ डेज. सो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज ऑफ एनी यूज? यस और नो? नो यूज. After 10 days, 1/5 of the men desert. So how many men are remaining? Yes or no? Why 4/5? Because x में से 1/5 भाग गए. It is now found that the provision will now last just as long as before. अगर पहले खाना कितने दिन था? Y days. Now also it's lasting Y days. Yes or no? So men into days is equal to men into days. दोनों साइड खाना तो सेम है. किस स्टेटमेंट की बात कर रहा हूं? इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दोनों साइड खाना तो सेम ही है, कोई चेंज तो आया नहीं है. So let's multiply it. X into y minus 10 is equal to 4/5x into y. X and x gets cancelled. 5y minus 50 is equal to 4y. Y comes out to be 50 days. Is it clear or not? Is it
No,
clear?
sir.
Sorry?
No, sir.
Okay. यहाँ तक क्लियर है ये वाली दो स्टेटमेंट्स?
Yes, sir.
अब देख, दोनों में खाना तो सेम ही है. ये पहले उसने बोला इस आदमी के लिए इतना खाना है, नए वालों के लिए इतना है. हमने पहले
Yes, sir.
आदमी सेम थे तो डेज कम थे. जब आदमी कम किए, डेज बाय हो गए. अगर तू एक चपाती 10 आदमी खाते हैं और दूसरे टाइप के आदमी आ जाएं जो 5 चपाती खाते हैं, तो कितने दिन रहेगा खाना? 2 दिन. यस और नो? मेन इनटू
Yes.
डेज. मेन इनटू डेज.
Okay.
दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, y की वैल्यू आ गई. y इज द नंबर ऑफ डेज. क्लियर और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
क्लियर एवरीबडी? रजत,
So
क्लियर?
can you please explain this again?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Let's start from the beginning. A garrison had a provision of certain number of days. Men तो बताया नहीं. So we assume men be x and days be y. Clear or not? Men be x and days be y.
Yes, sir.
After 10 days. After 10 days, how many men are after 10 days means y minus 10? How many men are
Yes,
remaining?
sir. X.
X men are remaining.
Yes, sir.
Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
After का मतलब यही होता है ना?
Yes, yes, sir.
पहले y था तो first statement is of no use. Clear everybody? Clear? After 10 days, 1/5 of the men desert. X थे, 1/5 go. How many are remaining?
4/5.
यहाँ तक क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ स्टेटमेंट, यहाँ पे स्टेटमेंट खत्म हुई है. मैंने यहाँ तक किया अभी तक. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
It is found that the provision will now last just as long as before. What was the time for which the food was lasting earlier? Y days. Now
Yes,
also
sir.
the food will last for Y days.
Yes, sir.
Clear everybody? So I copy the statement from here. This is where we get Y from. Clear everybody? Now there are one man and there were 10 chapatis. How many days would it last? 10 days. There were 10 chapatis I had and there was only one man. He would eat 1 chapati a day. So how many days would it last? 10. Chapatis, man, days. Now there are 5 men. How many days would the food last? 2.
2.
So men into days and men into days is the same food.
Yes. Yes, yes.
So first statement, men into days. Second statement, men into days. We equate them.
Okay. Yeah, got it.
Is it clear everybody? Is it clear everyone? Okay. 17th would be a homework. 18th also homework. 19th is what I want to do. This is my last case. Try it out. 19th. Clear? The last one clear? As I said, it's going to be more difficult. I told you beforehand that question is going to be more difficult. Try this one. This is different again. My objective here is to cover as much different questions as possible. Quickly. Everybody done? Let's do it. What are the factors that we have? Let's understand. There were examiners. Certain number of answer books for examiners can examine a certain number of answer books in 8 days. Working 5 hours a day. For how many hours a day would 12 examiners have to work in order to examine twice the number of answer books? यहाँ पे आंसर बुक्स क्या थी 1, यहाँ पे क्या होगी डबल, एक नया फैक्टर हो गया in 20 days. Is this clear or not? Were you able to make all these statements? Yes or no?
So
Yes.
12 बता दो कौन सा है?
12 given है question में ना? 2 examiners, not 12, 2 examiners, my bad. This is 2 examiners. Clear? Everybody? Clear? Only thing is from the statements we have to make sure that we do write this. So let's do it. X is equal to 5 hours a day. 4 examiners work 5 hours a day. Need to work 5 hours a day. If there are 2 examiners, would the workload be increased or decreased? Quickly tell me.
Increase.
So it would be 4 by 2. Everybody clear? Next. I work 8 hours a day. I work for 8 days. I need to work 5 hours a day. But I'm now 20 days. Would I need more? अब मेरा पेपर 8 दिन बाद था. मेरे को 5 घंटे दिन में पढ़ना है हर रोज. अब मेरा पेपर 20 दिन बाद है. मेरे नंबर ऑफ आवर्स अ डे ज्यादा होने चाहिए या कम? कम. सिलेबस खत्म जल्दी हो जाएगा. So for less, 8 by 20. Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
I have to check one answer book. How many days would it take? 8. Now I have to check 2 answer books. Sorry, I had to check 1 answer book 5 hours a day. Now I have to check 2. Would my workload be increased or decreased? Increased. So multiply 2 by 1. Clear, everybody? Yes or no? We cancel it. 2, 4 divided by 10. We cancel it further. 5. 5 से 5 cancel. This would be 8 hours a day. Clear, everybody?
सर आंसर बुक 1 कैसे आया सर? 1 और 2 आंसर बुक का समझ नहीं आया.
अच्छा, ये वाला पोर्शन जब तू बोल रहा है मैं ऑरेंज ग्रीन से मार्क करता हूँ.
Yes.
In order to examine twice the number of answer books. पहले वो एक आंसर बुक चेक कर रहे थे, अब कितनी आंसर बुक चेक कर रहे हैं?
2.
Is that clear or not?
Yes, sir.
That is why. Any other doubt, anybody? Any other doubt? Right. I'll be sending you the copies right now. I'll just mail you all this. Clear? And finish this off as homework. I'll be seeing you tomorrow at the same time now. Clear? But the other ones
Yes,
come
sir.
at 10 o'clock, right? Okay. Bye-bye.